Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to set up your extender with an existing router device. To do this, watch my video till the end. Place your extender near the router and plug it into a power outlet. Then turn on the extender device. Press and hold the router WPS button for 5 to 10 seconds. When the WPS light on the router flashes, you need to press the WPS button on the extender. Then the extender's light will blink, meaning it will attempt to connect. Once the extender is successfully set up, the extender's WPS light will usually be solid. The extender is now connected to your wireless router and ready to extend the Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching. Now, you can move the extender to another location. If you need any kind of help in the extender, router, or other kind of problem with your connection, then you can contact or visit us.